guys.
Hey, everybody.
You sound so energetic.
I'm tired.
I am too. We're stopped at a break, actually.
What is this, July 1st?
I don't remember.
I think it's July 1st. Anyway, we're gonna do a quick recap of yesterday. We did about almost 14 miles or so. We're
gonna round it up to 14.
Yeah, we're gonna round it up to 14. Something cool that happened yesterday, besides seeing 7 snakes, we got some. Yeah.
Can you tell me about them?
we got some trail magic, and in the form of nectarines.
Oh my god.
And so trail magic is something that people will leave out along the trail, and those people are called trail angels.
Yes.
And they leave these little treats like nectarines or Gatorade or Cokes or electrolytes
or whatever. Which we love, guys. If you ever want to send us anything, send us electrolytes.
We love
please.
electrolytes.
Yes.
Gatorade gummies are amazing. And then
Element, LMNT.
LMNT powder packets.
Get them on Amazon.
But yeah, that trail magic, Pam's going to describe what that trail magic did for her.
So funny. Yeah, it was like the best non-ripe nectarine I ever had in my life. And not long after I had that nectarine, it was like, and you know, like in Super Mario Brothers, when he gets like the little star, all of a sudden I was just like dun 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 dun. Okay, Chad does not like my singing, but anyway, I was hauling butt the whole time. Like I went out in front and set the pace for the group, and we made our 14 miles in good time, and
Made it to an awesome campsite last night.
Hell yeah, thank
called
God.
Antlers Campsite. It was beautiful. There was lots of people there, and we got out in some knee-deep ice-cold water. Helped refresh us a little bit. We got signal.
Yeah,
so we finally got signal for the first time in a week, and got to send out a couple of messages and stuff. Did you just sniff me?
Yeah, I was just seeing which one of us was smelling like that.
Yeah, we're going on a week without showers, so.
Well, okay, I'm taking little,
like showers though. So.
Yeah, like for real showers, but I'm taking little, dips and wipes.
Today we're gonna try to make it just a short day, only 8 miles, and get to this shelter that supposedly has a waterfall. So we're just gonna kind of hang out, take care of our feet. We are beat up.
Oh my god.
We are so beat up. And it's only been a week. So we're gonna try to do a little self-care this afternoon. Should be a short day, and get in that waterfall, and then tomorrow we should get some more food, and then food drop should be tomorrow, and then
that'd be great.
Yeah. So, all right. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right. See y'all.
Cheers. Boom.
Right.